In this video, I am going to show you how to deactivate and permanently delete your account. You can deactivate an account when you have available funds, Fiverr balance or earned revenues. These funds must be refunded or withdrawn before your account has been deactivated. To deactivate your account on desktop, click on your profile picture. Go to My Settings and then select Account Deactivation. Choose a reason from the drop-down menu and then click Deactivate Account. If you decide to reactivate your deactivated account, please reach out to their support to find some solutions and to permanently delete your account. You gotta be sure that before you permanently delete your account, you'll need to deactivate it first. Once you deactivated it, contact the support to permanently delete your account. Just note that when you permanently delete your account, you won't be able to reactivate it, and then the process cannot be reversed. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more. In this video,